But we're promoting this for teachers to be able to teach a variety of principles in chemistry, biology, physics, plumbing, carpentry, and then you've got all the business aspects of it. Hi everybody, my name is David Cline. I'm an extension aquaculturist and associate professor here at Auburn University. We are in the Fisheries Learning Center at the E.W. Shell Fisheries Research Center, just north of the college, the Auburn University College campus. We have a very nice facility here that I've spent several years working to educate the public about all the interesting things we do with fish and water. And today we're standing here in front of our miniature tabletop aquaponics system that we have created and designed to allow educators and homeowners to play around and experiment with aquaponics. So what we've got here, just a small aquarium, about 10 gallons, 5-gallon bucket, 1-gallon bucket inside. We've got this is Okinawan spinach. Not all that tasty, but it grows well in this low light that we have in here. But we're promoting this for teachers to be able to teach a variety of principles in chemistry, biology, physics, plumbing, carpentry, and then you've got all the business aspects of it. So it makes an excellent teaching tool, and this system, even though it's relatively small, can demonstrate all of the same properties as a more commercial sized system. So you're thinking about things like the nitrogen cycle, how the fish waste is utilized by the plants. Plants clean the water for the fish, but it just makes an absolutely excellent teaching tool. We've had a 5-day Aquaponics 101 workshop. This will be the 23rd year in a row that we've offered such a workshop, specifically designed for teachers. Going to be held in July this year, July 12th to the 16th. If anybody's interested, come join us. We also have a YouTube channel called Aquaculture Education and More, and there are a number of videos related to aquaponics, both mine and those cataloged from around the web, geared towards aquaponics and educators. So we have specific instructions for how to build this particular system, as well as one of the IBC systems that has worked well for us, that can work well in a classroom. We were just touring and looked at our IBC system up here, and from a single IBC tote system with tilapia in the bottom and about 1 meter growing bed on the top, we've produced over 1,800 cherry tomatoes, almost 100 pounds of tomatoes out of that one system. So it would be a great opportunity for a school to feed their classroom, maybe even supply some food for the kitchen and the cafeteria, and be able to share the produce. You know, I got interested in aquaponics because it was such a great teaching tool. I came from a fish background. At one point I managed a fish farm way out in Missouri, and it was sort of the northern frontier of catfish farming, but it was a great experience for me because I learned how to do the hatchery procedures. I actually, when I got there, wrote the business plan, got to create and manage the hatchery, manage the production. I was the day man, the night man, the marketer, the feeder. I went door to door peddling the product to the chefs and restaurants in some of the larger cities. Even got to participate in some food festivals. But I really have a passion for education and working with the adults and kids and sharing innovative ways to explore STEM and other academic subjects.